Hello, my dear friends. Today is Monday, and our entire team is already preparing for the first trading session. I've already posted my market outlook for the day, and before I start trading with my team, I'm going to warm up my balance a bit using my trading robot. Let's do this together. I'm opening my trading robot now, and you can find the link to it in the description below this video. Next, I need to enter the command start to get it running. The trading robot is running, and today I will be trading on Forex currency pairs since our work week has just started. In this section for traders who use my trading robot, there are 21 currency pairs available for signals. Let's start with the first one, which is the British pound to Japanese yen. This is the pair I want to take my first signal on. The trading bot recommends opening a buy position with a 75% probability of profit, a good signal. We also see the newsfeed, the analysis system, and the list of indicators. I'm heading back to the broker. The first trade of $600 has been opened. Let's take a look at the chart. What we see here is a small flag formation after the drop. I think this flag should break upwards for liquidity extraction and to update the previous highest price point on the chart. So let's watch how this position closes and move on from there. Why? We've got the first $516, good price reaction, and an excellent signal. Let's move on and add a few more currency pairs. I've received a new signal from the trading bot for a sell position that is to short the Australian dollar against the US dollar. I'll open the trade for $1,000, increasing the risk since my deposit allows me to do so. Just a couple of seconds short of making a profit on this signal. I think you saw it. At the last moment, I got a return and the price went down. But that happens. I won't get upset. Let's move on and take a couple more trades. The position is open, and I'm waiting for the result. I want to remind you that there's a giveaway happening in my Telegram channel with a prize pool of $3,000 where each of you can participate and win a $300 prize. There will be 10 winners. So don't miss out on this great opportunity to get a nice bonus for your deposit or through another convenient method. For example, a crypto wallet. I'm getting another $900 in profit, and the next currency pair is the US dollar to Japanese yen. I want to take a risk and open a position for $1,900. Now I'll take the analysis from the trading robot. The trading robot recommends opening a buy position in general. The signal is good. Let's try it. As I said, I'm opening it for $1,900. It's a big risk, but I'm ready. If I make a profit, I'll finish recording the video and start preparing for the trading session. But let's not rush. Let's wait for the result, and then we'll review and summarize. I plan to withdraw part of the profit from today's trading along with my robot. Oh, this signal brought me a loss. I'm a bit upset my risk didn't pay off, but let's continue. I'll take another currency pair from the list to cover this losing position. The trading robot recommends selling, and I'll try opening 2 positions of $2,000 each, since my trading account doesn't allow me to open a $4,000 position due to recent changes on the broker's platform. But I hope I'll be able to get VIP status soon and trade with larger orders like before. Before it was possible to open positions up to $20,000, but I didn't take those positions. My maximum I worked with was $5,000 per trade. The price has room to drop further, and I should make more than $3,500 in pure profit from this coverage. Let's see how this turns out. I'm making a profit of $3,248. Oh, I made a small mistake and said $3,500 earlier. But in any case, I've recovered the loss and made a decent profit. Now it's time to withdraw the balance. And I plan to withdraw $1,867, leaving an even amount of $40,000 as a deposit for further trading. The withdrawal request has been successfully sent, and with that, I'll be wrapping up and getting ready for the trading session with my team. The link to the trading robot will be in the description under this video, and also don't forget that I have a team, and you can become part of my community, copy my trades, and earn. My contact is also under this video. Just send me a private message if you want to join my team. See you soon, guys.